Very nice.
Thank you. You too. You look nice.
Thank you. Hey, long day. It's tiring, but yeah, we are here. We're here. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's tell them. You wanna share?
No, you said.
You say
It's
it.
your idea.
Okay,
Yeah. So you have to say it.
no problem. So, people, listen and listen carefully. Very nicely song. The point of this live, okay, sorry guys, we are taking no questions. It's fine. But we just wanted to confirm that we are still together, we are dating, but we are requesting for privacy and then further information to be communicated. We will communicate with you once we feel very comfortable. So we're still confirming that you're together with my beautiful Ashley.
Yes. Thank you, everybody, for supporting us and watching us and everything nice that you've done for us. I felt like this was obligated from us both because you guys watched us and you gave us so much support. And yeah, it would be so sad that we ghosted you. But honestly, we have to kind of ghost our relationship from everybody. But we could decide. So I just arrived. We just arrived.
We just arrived. We just
We just
arrived.
arrived.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
I like that. Yes, tell them yes.
Yebo.
So
Okay, guys.
yeah, guys, we're just confirming and then we are leaving. See you another time.
Amy's parents are out now.
Lalela,
I'm joking. It's a joke,
Ashley,
guys. It's a
Ashley,
joke. They must take
Ashley,
jokes.
Ashley, wait,
It's not that serious.
wait. Take this one, girl. Watch. Huh? Transport. Yes.
That's not funny. That's not
How?
funny.
Oh, is
That's
it
not
fun?
funny.
I'm romanticizing, yeah.
Now's the time you need an audience to laugh at you.
Okay.
And that wasn't funny.
I'm not a comedian anymore.
Our favorite couple are Sweet Gulova and his girlfriend Ashley rather, or girl Bebagu Live Vitolo, where they were basically telling their fans what they are still very much in love. Basathandzana ngendlela lesimanga relationship yabe isaqhubeka sasemlilo o njengoba benjalo lapha ekhaya la Big Brother, and bathi labaqelako nje kubalandzeli babo ma fans and friends ukuthi they should just stay away from a relationship yabo. Basibaqela ngosiyami ukuthi babe private nge-love life yabo ngaloku njena nibabuta imibuto. They don't want to answer anything. The only thing labafuna ukuthi niyadika ukuthi basathandzana, bahappy, bajabulile, and kuyohlala kunjalo. Or a couple nje yasemzansi lele shisa ngendlela lesimanga shisa etikhotha ke kulamalanga, and everyone is just talking about Sweet Gulova no Ash. Lesikhathi sabo lesi Nkosi yami aba-enjoy bantwana. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'm signing out. Goodbye.